Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Kanhon Menteri Jong Sorkar Jela hakasing baar ka laipo tarik unailar arajar arpuar. Kalayathir sani halor ka jingtmu bantai ya ka Medical Skills Hub ha West Garo Hills District nagabantaban ay jinghikai ya ki breu ki basyakri hakatanat ka koit ka khia. Ya gani ka Medical Skills Hub balamang pisa shispa sanpuway klor tengka daga Ministry of Minority Affairs ka Sorkar India hakaba 10% on sa bay pisa da ka Sorkar Meghalaya but kandai 4% on sa bay pisa da ka Sorkar India. Umenteri rangba ka Jelaw Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ka jingekren bat kilat patay kubor hadien balawai ka jingelang jong ka Kanhon Menteri ulayatu bahagani ka Medical Skills Hub on sa ay jinghikai palat 6,000 sans pangut ki samla puli hakabakin sayo jinghikai lembaga Nursing College ka Paramedical College bat kaway ka Skills Development Center.
This is a project that was initiated in 2020 and the idea was to have a medical skill for paramedical staff. A large scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district, and the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Hunar Hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs that time. From 2022, of course, that has changed, and now all districts can get funds for Minority Affairs. So for this particular project, which was initiated in 2020, we had proposed 282 crores for this, but after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by government of India. The project will come up in West Garo Hills district in Babadam area, which falls under North Tura constituency. And this will have a space for almost 2,500 students and different hostel facilities. It will have a pharmaceutical college, a nursing college, paramedical college, and one skill development center. And there will be large number of hostels for all the students who are studying. And this will in one way become one of the larger skill centers for medical skill in the entire Northeast. The funds for this also, the initial installment has been released, and this has been given. The work for this will be done through a PSU, which is EPI, Engineering Project India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking. And this undertaking also was, this PSU also was selected after a bidding process, and other PSUs were also, had also submitted their bids. And out of the 3 bids, the L1 was EPI, which is Engineering Projects Limited, and they have been asked to execute the work. So that is the decision that was taken today by the cabinet. Thank you very much.